special. Your kind of freak match my kind of freak. Chaos had so much potential. Casual moments with words, spiritual feathers. So much faith, so much depth. And so we were closer than